Yorkshire Wildlife Trust has launched a campaign to save Askham Bog Nature Reserve in York. A proposal for a new housing development adjacent to Askham Bog Nature Reserve could be disastrous for wildlife. Director of Development Jonathan Ledley tells us what makes Askham Bog so special.
So Askham Bog is such a fantastic place. It's full of wildlife and you can have a great time whatever time of year you visit. In the summer months like we are now, it's just a riot of colour. There's so many different wildflowers here, from the pinks of common spotted and southern marsh orchid and ragged robin, through to lots of yellows of the flag iris and yellow loosestrife. If you come back in the winter, we have twittering flocks of goldfinches and siskins in the birch trees, and it's also home to some really nationally rare species. There's insects such as the fen square spot moth, and there's also very rare plants here such as the UK's largest population of gingerbread sedge. It really is a fantastic place. Askham Bog Nature Reserve is massively important for its wildlife. It's so important it's been designated a site of special scientific interest, and really to people who love wildlife this is as important as York Minster. So Askham Bog is a very fragile site. It relies on a very good supply of clean water, and it's that hydrology which Yorkshire Wildlife Trust, working with many volunteers and staff over the years, has worked hard to maintain, and it's all the plants and animals really depend on maintaining that good hydrology. So sadly Askham Bog is now under the biggest threat it's really ever faced. This special site is really threatened due to a proposed housing allocation along its northern boundary, and we're encouraging everybody who thinks that this place should be kept in this beautiful condition for future generations to enjoy as well as ourselves. So please write into York City Council and object to this housing allocation, because only if we object together can we try and save this beautiful and unique site on the edge of York.
Askham Bog was originally saved from development in 1946 by Francis Terry and Arnold Rowntree, who purchased it. The reserve was then gifted to Yorkshire Wildlife Trust by the famous sweet manufacturers to be looked after. If you would like to find out more about our campaign, please visit our website www.ywt.org.uk/York.